Hey guys, welcome to my channel Sewing Stash. My name's Jodie, and if you are new here, welcome. I want to kickstart this video by saying thank you to everybody who supported this channel. We have just reached 500 subscribers in the month of November 2021, and I am really excited and thankful for you all, and I really 100% appreciate it. So just thank you. I did want to do a giveaway, however YouTube's terms and conditions regarding that are a little bit tricky and I haven't quite got my head around them, so I'm not doing one at present. I'm hoping to do one in the future, but I just need to make sure that I know I'm sticking to YouTube's rules and guidelines and I'm not doing anything that's going to get me booted off of YouTube. Which is the fear, I guess, So I will keep you posted on that. I just wanted to do a video really to say, hi, how are you? Thank you for the subscribers, and just let you know what I've been up to, and what I'm planning to be doing, and things like that, just like small updates. Like, there's nothing major to tell you. So first off, I think I will start with saying that I am a duck mum, which sounds really bizarre, but myself and my partner have inherited two beautiful ducks. They are called Duck Norris and Quackalina Jolie. I can't take credit for the names. That was a very creative friend of mine. But I kept the names because I absolutely love them. So I'll pop in a video of our little ducks so you can see what they look like. The duck with the green head is the boy, and he is Duck Norris, and the smaller brown bird is Quackalina Jolie. So that's a little snippet for you. Absolutely besotted with them. We didn't plan on getting ducks. We ended up getting ducks, but I am so in love. I go out there every morning to feed them, and yeah, I have become a duck mum. What else has been happening? I have been sewing a few things. I have finally got around to using the Meat and Milk Tencel fabric that I mentioned in my autumn winter sewing plan video. I didn't know whether I wanted to make a two-piece, which was going to be a jumper and trousers, well, joggers, or a dress. And what I opted for, obviously, is this jumper here. If you can't really see it because it's quite zoomed in, but this is a Sewaholic pattern. I don't know why that's sitting like that. It's not twisted. I think it's just the way I'm wearing it, but yeah, I've used this fabric, and then I found some sparkly stretchy fabric in my stash that I forgot that I had. So I made if I find it, here it is, the Sewaholic jumper here with this version at the top, version A, which is the cutout here. And what I'm also making out of this fabric is the Hudson pants, with the high-waisted hack, and I'm making the full-length version. And so that these match, what I'm doing is I'm using this fabric here to do the pockets. I did want to do the cuffs with this fabric here as well, but it's a bit scratchy, and I thought it'd be quite uncomfortable actually on my ankle, so I didn't. But I do wish that I could have put that on the cuff of the ankle bit, but I just think it would be quite irritating to the skin, so I haven't. So that's what's currently under my machine at the moment. I started that project 3 weeks ago, and it's a really quick make, and I whipped this up, and then I started on the Hudson pants the same day and I just kind of burnt out. So they're almost done. It's just the waistband, elastic, and like it's probably like 20-30 minutes of my life. So I'm planning on getting them done this week. What else have I been doing? I did a little mini fabric and pattern haul. So I'll show you what I've brought, and I'm adding it to my autumn winter sewing plans, I guess. So first of all, I can't speak today, apologies. First of all, I found a company that was really new to me, and it was the Chalk and Notch company, and I fell in love with this. It's called the Fringe Dress and Blouse, if you can see that there. I saw this pattern, you know when you just see something, you're just like, oh my god, I want that in so many different fabrics. That was the kind of thing for me. And normally, I have to be careful when I'm trying to buy sewing patterns, because I'm usually the largest size in most sewing patterns, or I have to do full bust adjustments and things. And this one has bust adjustments for you. So it does A, B, C and D. And I am a sewing cup C, which means I have a 3-inch difference from my top compared to like my apex. So yeah, I am really excited to make this one. I want to make the dress and a blouse version, and the fabric I have for that is this gorgeous linen fabric. I think it's a linen blend actually, but it is mostly linen in this lovely teal colour, and I've got 3.5 meters of that. I will leave the link in the description below if anyone's interested in that. But if you know me, you will know that teal is my favourite colour. But ironically, I think I only have one garment that's teal, and I didn't even make it. So I do want to incorporate more teal into my wardrobe. It's just my absolute favourite. So that's what they're going to be over there. The second purchase I made, again was a pattern and a fabric, was the Friday Pattern Company Hugo dress. I have been absolutely obsessed by the Hugo dress, but I was a little bit disappointed. So when I first looked at the pattern, it had a peplum top, the dress without the pockets and the dress, and I absolutely wanted to make the pattern without the pockets and the pattern with the peplum top. I know, unpopular opinion about pockets and dresses, we all like pockets and dresses, but the Hugo dress has visible pockets, and I just didn't want that for the version I want to make anyway. But so yeah, I was super excited. I ordered the pattern, but when it came, and here it is here, the illustration on the back is just for the dress and the pockets, the visible pockets at the front, and doesn't mention anywhere in the pattern booklet about the peplum top or the dress. So I don't understand what happened there, because what I thought I was buying was a top, a dress in one pattern, and what I appear to have gotten is the pattern for the dress, which is great, but I'm quite disappointed because I also wanted to make a peplum top version, and I don't understand why when I looked on the website it was telling me that the pattern included a top and a dress, but when I actually received the pattern, what I have got is just the dress, and that's the only thing mentioned in the instructions. Now, I could be wrong, it could be included in the actual pattern tissue itself, and if that is the case, then great, but I would have thought that that would have been mentioned in the instructions if that was the case. So yeah, I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do, whether I'm going to try and repurchase this pattern and maybe pass this one on, or try and just still make the peplum top from this pattern. But yeah, I was a little bit disappointed. I don't know if any of you guys have experienced this also, or is there a different version of the pattern that I should have brought instead? But yeah, let me know your thoughts about that and if it's something that's happened to you. But otherwise, I am still excited to really make it. I do love the Friday Pattern Company. They are one of my favourite pattern companies. And the fabric that I brought to go with it is this gorgeous, it's a double gauze fabric, and it has all these random leaves, well, feathers all over it. So I'm really quite looking forward to making it. I did want to make a top version out of some other fabric I have. I have a teal volley fabric that I think I've mentioned in, I think it was my summer sewing plans video, that I still haven't done anything with yet. So I'm hoping to be able to get the peplum top version of this pattern. But yes, I am going to make the dress version. I think it will look really nice. I don't want the pockets, so I need to make sure that this pattern has the ability for me not to have pockets. Otherwise, I am going to have to sell this pattern and rebuy it, which will be quite annoying, but we will see. I'll have a look. And the third fabric that I brought was off Facebook Marketplace, I think, so I can't leave the link in the description box for you. And it's not really something I'm going to be sewing up this side of Christmas, but it was so cute, I just could not pass it up. And it is this gorgeous fabric here, and it has all over it these little cactuses in different designs, and it says, "Can't touch this, ouch," looking sharp all over it. And it was so cheap. I got 10 meters of this fabric, and I plan on making some kind of flowy ruched dress out of this. I think I've already got the pattern that I want to make. Sophia, I think it's the Sophia dress. Is it? It is the Sophia dress. I can't remember who makes it though, but it's like a bellowy sleeves, and it's got all the ruching that I want to try. I've never tried shearing. That's it, shearing. So it's got a sheared bodice, a nice flowy skirt, and there's like different sleeve options, and I believe it's called the Sophia. So I've already got that pattern that I am planning on making out of this for some summery cuteness. It's not that I don't like winter, but I'm definitely more of a spring summer girl. So yes, I'm trying to keep summer alive, and purchased some fabric for then. But yeah, I think that's all that I've really got to update you on. I am planning another video soon, but I don't know what it is I'm going to make. I don't know whether I'm going to make the Friday Pattern Company dress, maybe the chalk and notch dress, or maybe I will finally brave the Jessica blazer that I really want, and that I've had I've got all the bits for, and I've just been too intimidated to sew that. So it's for those of you who don't know, in the videos, I mention it in basically almost every video when I talk about what I'm going to be sewing, is the Jessica blouse by, no, it's not a blouse, it's not a blouse. It's the Jessica blazer by Closet Core Patterns that I am so excited to make. Oh, I'm just so scared, but I really need to get it done, and I think I'm going to try and do that over the Christmas period. I don't know whether I'm going to film that or not. I will let you know. But what I think I might do is make use of my community tab, and I'll do a poll and ask you guys what you want to see, if any of them, because you don't need to see everything I sew. I just happen to record it just in case you do. But yeah, I think that's everything I have to update you on. Again, just thanks so much, guys, for supporting my channel. I really hope you are all well and staying safe, especially, you know, in these times. And yeah, I think I will catch you next time in my next video. See ya.